In this video, we're going to be talking about Vechain. We're going to be analyzing the price of Vechain to see where price is heading, basically giving a technical analysis. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to get 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Vechain, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on at CoinMarketCap, you can see Vechain is currently down 2.74% at the time of recording. You can see on the daily that the chart they've provided, that you can see we did have a pretty much a little bearish momentum coming through. I think this was mainly due to Bitcoin dropping as well on the daily. You can see price pretty much just dropped, and then we had a little accumulation schematic being played out. So you can see the selling climax, the secondary test, and we had the spring, and then we had the retest, and then from the retest we had a bit of sign of weakness, and from sign of weakness we have initially started to build ourselves back up to the part where we were before the huge drop, before the minor drop from point 0.52 towards the low of 0.048 essentially. So if we look on the weekly, we can see that on the weekly we're still overall bullish. You can see that we're still in the green zone. At the start of the week we were pretty much bearish until I think this was mainly due to the Russia-Ukraine war, a new situation, and then everything just went down, and then from then onwards we pretty much have became bullish from the huge Bitcoin pump that did come through, and pretty much reached near enough 45k essentially, but price is slowly coming back down, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and we did tap into this strong demand zone. we did looks like we did pretty much liquidate all the weak buyers from here, and then we did make an accumulation schematic, and then there onwards we just pretty much went bullish from then onwards. So we go over to trading view to have a bit more in-depth analysis. You can see on the 4 hour of Vechain, you can see here that pretty much we're still waiting for the overall push towards the upside, pretty much breaking past two main structures of price action in order for us to confirm this bullish up and pretty much this bullish trend essentially. But so far we're still in a very strong demand zone. Looks like prices slowly did pretty much reach back in here, but hopefully we can breach past this zone, the 0.06182, and then break past a 0.0699. so in my opinion I still feel like Vechain is still going to be bullish, as we just pretty much hit a very strong demand zone, and we could possibly even reach the highs of pretty much I wouldn't say, I'd say 0.19 is pretty much long term. So midterm will possibly be around 1.12 essentially, but till then we're gonna have to wait until we break past 0.1. 0.1 is still a key zone, as there's loads and loads of sellers within this zone. We did try to breach past it, but price failed, and we made a new lower low. So what can we expect? It just depends on the Bitcoin as well. If we go over here, you can see that Bitcoin is currently Bitcoin is very bearish on the daily. If we drop into the 1 hour, you can see here that we did have the distribution schematic play out, and then from the schematic you can see here that looks like we're building liquidity. In my opinion, now thinking about it, it does look like a bit of a what's that called, an accumulation schematic, but I feel like this is just liquidity build up, because as there's no major breakout structures essentially. So we're gonna just be careful when trading upon Bitcoin. So yeah, I think Bitcoin is going to drop lower and probably even reach the lows of 30k essentially, but that's just my opinion, and we're gonna have to wait and see how the overall market is. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.